Every modern car depends on electricity. From starting the engine to powering lights, radio, ECU, and sensors, none of this works without a healthy charging system. In this video, you'll learn 1. What the car charging system is, 2. How it works step by step, 3. And how to know if your car is charging or not. The charging system supplies electrical power to the vehicle while the engine is running and keeps the battery charged. Its main job is to power electrical components, to recharge the battery, and maintain stable system voltage. Without a working charging system, your car will run only until the battery dies. Let's look at the main components of a car charging system. The battery. It stores electrical energy and supplies power during engine start. The alternator. It converts engine rotation into electrical power. Voltage regulator. It controls voltage output to protect electronics. The drive belt, or serpentine belt, it spins the alternator using engine power. Charging warning light. It alerts the driver of charging problems. Now let's look at how the charging system works in a car. First, the engine starts using the car battery power. Second, the crankshaft spins the alternator using belt. Third, the alternator generates AC current. Fourth, the diodes convert AC current to DC current. 5. The voltage regulator controls the output current. Finally, the DC current powers the car and recharges the battery. Normal charging voltage, 13.7 volts to 14.5 volts. Common symptoms of a poor or no charging system are: battery warning light stays on, dim or flickering headlights, radio cutting off, battery keeps going dead, slow or no cranking. Always remember, a new battery will not fix a bad charging system. Diagnose first the problem before replacing the battery. How to check if your car is charging using a multimeter. When the engine is running, battery voltage should be 13.7 volts to 14.5 volts. While when the engine is off, battery voltage should read 12.4 volts to 12.7 volts. To conclude, your car's charging system is its electrical lifeline. Understanding how it works saves you money, prevents breakdowns, and improves diagnostics. If your car starts but dies later, check the charging system first. Like, share, and subscribe for more real automotive education. Welcome to the Automotive. Understand the car, not just the noise.